Hi, welcome back to I Can Grow. Today, we're doing an update. Again! Just working a little on the blueberry. Just giving the compost some food. That's all we're doing. And then amending the blueberry. So take a chill pill and enjoy the ride. This one here. Right, this one. Okay. We do not waste it here. We make gold out of waste. There we go. Alright, task 1 done. Go for task 2. For task 2. It's not loud in here or anything. No. How would I think? No. It's not loud in here. No. It's very loud in here, but whatever. We are going to amend the blueberry and give it a new... That is a fat root cake. It is so dense. Crap, man. Yeah, no, I can't really open this root cake, so what we're gonna do, gonna put some new fresh soil in here, amend it with some fertilizer that we have, and then get that root cake back on top and hope that we can break it up enough that it can feel for new nutrients in there. So let's do that. Rhododendron. Rhododendron soil. That's what we're looking for. Acidic soil, I should say. We're mixing a universal line fertilizer and berry fertilizer together. About 40 to 60 grams in total. That's all we need for now. And then chuck it in there. Boom. Done deal. It's that simple. Did you see it? Fertilizer goes in. Now it gets mixed through. A little more soil. All you gotta do is just squeeze the soil a little bit, and then the roots will automatically just loosen after a while. So that's one way to do it. It'll take a little bit of time, but it'll do you good and your plants. So you better do it that way. No, I'm just kidding. There's a million ways to do all of these things. So whatever works best for you, you do. You don't have to do exactly what I do. You don't have to do exactly what others do. Just do what suits your needs. If you can make it happen that way, you can make it happen that way. All right. Some more soil on top. Rhododendron soil. Yep, alright, that seems good. Okay. If you've made it this far in the video, leave a comment down below. Task say completed. Hi. Simplify one more time. And as always, remember, blueberries have if I can grow, because, what's stopping you? Well, I watered it yesterday and it dries up so quick that I didn't even retain any moisture, so that's why these blueberries are looking the way they're looking right now. Which is why I wanted to give it some new soil, some more material, fertilizer to work with, and now it's going to get a good amount of water and it's going back inside. Of course, right as I stop filming. the noise stops.